Refrigerator song. Refrigerator song. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potato. Mashed potato. Oh, that's mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Sunday syrup. Sunday syrup. Ketchup. Ketchup. Butter. 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 Damn, y'all got a lot of butter. What kind of cheese? Cheese. Oh, fuck this. What the fuck? Hey, what the fuck is Texas toast? What the hell is Texas toast? This doesn't even look vulnerable.
Green tea.
That's tea?
Yeah.
It does not even green. You rip off? That's a rip off, bro. What else, y'all?
Your face is a rip off.
Where'd y'all get this from, huh? Huh? Like a couple of weeks ago?
Oh, snaggletooth neck.
Like a couple of weeks ago?
No. What a black dude.
Dude, I just blacked out. Dude, where's your mom?
In the room?
What kind of fruit is this?
It's an avocado.
That's a black ass avocado. That's a black avocado. Oh no. I'm about to climb your refrigerator. I swear to God. Not this. You want to be a man?
Nope. I'm just a little boy.
Oh, your mom's coming. I lied. Dude, we need to get that. Look. Butter. Look, no. Look how much butter you have. You have like 40 things of butter. You know how slippery your pancakes are going to be using all that butter?
Nope.
Bacon pieces?
Ah, the bacon. I remember the bacon. Death drinks.
And I see why she's in the room. Got frozen honey back there. Texas toast. Some eggs. Oh God. I just made it worse. Yep. Almost done. Why are you still recording?